Hello everyone! 안녕하세요 여러분! Welcome to the Korean class. Today we are going to learn more final consonants in Hangeul. The point when you read final consonant is to prevent the air from escaping through the mouth. So, 그 and 크, 두 and 투, 부 and 푸, 즈 and 츠 have different sound when they come as the initial consonants, but they sound the same when they come as a final consonant in a syllable. These consonants are pronounced as 그 and 크 when they are the initial sounds of a syllable, but they both sound like 크 when they are the final consonants. So, the first letter is read as 악, and the next one is also 악 because we prevent the air escaping. These two sound as p as a final consonant in a syllable. 아 and ap. 두 and tu sound as tu as a final consonant. At. Let's learn some words which are formed with the consonants we learned today. This is 한국. It means Korea. This is 미국. 미국 means the United States. 음식. It's food in Korean. 식당. 식당 is restaurant. 학생. 학생 is a student. 기숙사. It means dormitory. 부엌. It is kitchen. This is 직업. 직업 means occupation or job. 밥. It means steamed rice. Coffee shop. Can you guess what it means? Yes, it's coffee shop. 앞. 앞 is front. 곧. It means soon. 스, 즈, 츠, and 후 are all pronounced as t when they are final consonants. So this is a, and at. How do you read this letter? This is 셋. The first and the final consonants are same, but they are pronounced differently depending on their position within the syllable. The first 스 is pronounced as S, while the final 스 is pronounced as T. 셋 is a native Korean word for the number 3. 넷. That is 4. 다섯. 다섯 is native number 5. In summary, as final consonants, 그 and 크 are pronounced as 크. 부 and 푸 are pronounced as 푸. And 두, 투, 수, 즈, 츠, and 후 are all pronounced as 트. 악, 앞, 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 앗, 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 앗. So to sum up, there are only 7 pronunciations: 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 응 when we read final consonants. These 2 are pronounced as 악, and this is an And all these 6 are pronounced as at, al, and these 2 are up, and the last one is ang. And let me explain one special pronunciation rule when reading Korean word. When there is a final consonant in the preceding syllable, and there is no first consonant in the following syllable, the final consonant of the first syllable is carried over and pronounced as the initial sound of the second syllable. So, the first one is read as 직업, 직업. And the next one is pronounced as 한국어, 한국어. It means the Korean language. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.